Hello everybody, it's Danny and Wanda back from Pecan Grove. We just took the top off of our bed here, guys. And we got a cabbage here. We got some rain last night. Look what happened here. Look at that head right there, starting to split.
We gotta eat this one.
Gotta get this one out of here. Gotta eat it.
Isn't that pretty,
Yeah,
though?
that's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, gosh, those things are so pretty. Man. Well, today is the day that the chickens and the cows and the rabbits, everybody gets something to eat today. Oh, we take all this stuff because this is the old leaves up under it. Now, funny thing is, my male rabbit, he won't eat the leaves. He wants this right here. He wants that very bottom piece. I can put that in there, and for the next 2 or 3 days, he'll just sit and gnaw and chew on that when he won't even eat the leaves. And I have another one here I've been saving to do the same thing with.
We've harvested a cabbage to go with our carrots and
Yeah, we've about
asparagus,
Ooh,
and
that joker's heavy. Goodness.
we've got a good harvest already today.
Yeah. What I want to do is I want to show you the comparison. These has been under the cover all through the freezes and everything. Some seed got sprinkled out over on this side. Well, these never got covered. You can look and see right through here. I've always had a stick laying here. When I put my cover on, I lay a stick in here, and it always keeps the thing smashed down. These have been spaced out and out from under the cover. Now let's look at the difference between where they're left thick and where you leave them spaced out. I'm gonna pull up one of them here.
Whoa!
Look at this. This is what they should look like right now. These were planted exactly the same time as the ones up in the container up there was. Same day.
And the ones in the container were just too...
The ones in the container got froze. These,
Well, they were too thick, too.
they were too thick, and the cover fell down on top of them when it rained, and that froze, and it froze the tops. These did not have a cover on them to fall down on them, so these made it through the freeze. Even though the freeze bit them back, they came back out. And look at the carrot.
Look at the carrot.
Look at that.
That is awesome.
Now, let's look and...
You got any more that look like that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at this. This is what all these carrots should be right now. Look how long.
Isn't that
That's
beautiful?
like 24 inches.
That's what our carrots should be looking like.
Yeah, let me continue to look on here. I'm gonna let that one stay.
I can see some carrot salad, can't you?
I can too. Let me check this one. Look at that.
Yeah. Now that's what kind of was this? The damp? No, this was the
This is a Corota.
Corotas.
Now this is the old Corota seeds, not our newest.
Yeah. And most of them all seem to have come up, like every last one of them.
And look, they had the old winter ryegrass was in there with them. Because I didn't mess with them. I left them alone out here because I was like, I ain't touching them. We're just going to see what happens if we just leave them alone. I knew they were spaced out. They were not, they weren't really, really close together. Now, I don't know about this one here. This one looks like a...
Whoa, nice.
Ooh,
I see some on the other side that's probably going
Look at
to
that.
equal that.
So...
And you don't have to harvest all these at one time.
No, you don't have to.
You can come out every day and harvest a carrot or two for a while.
Yeah.
But Danny likes carrot salad, so I know what
I love carrot salad.
he's looking for enough carrots for me to make a good bit of carrot salad last him a few days.
Yep. Look at that. You can't. Perfect. Now we're going to move over to where they were covered, and they've been left really, really thick. A lot of people say, oh, don't worry about thinning out a carrot. It don't make no difference. Well, we're going to see if it makes a difference. And guys, I've already took about 1,000 out of here and fed them to the rabbits, okay? But they're still thick. Let's look here and see what we got. Get them up where I can even see.
You see how thin and little these look? They don't even look big compared to the others.
No, look at that. Now here's one right here. Let's check this one. Let's see what we got.
Now it's a good size, but it's split.
This one's split. I can't complain about it. It's not as big as those.
It's big around, but it's not as...
It's edible. Good edible.
Yeah.
Let me get where I can get in here.
A lot of the stems don't look as thick and luscious. They're tall and spindly.
I'm just going to try to rake around a few of them.
That one looks nice.
It's not the best, but you see where they're left thick like this? Trying to get them in here where you can see them. See,
they're tiny.
They're tiny. Like, I'll pull one of them out. Look at this. Planted exactly the same time as that.
As these.
And those. Planted at the same time. Look at the difference. And you tell me it don't make a difference if you thin them out. I'm telling you.
I don't even know if you could find one big as the ones you got over here on the other side.
Look at this.
They're just not ready.
They're just not ready. Yeah. They just
So the cover needs to stay off.
Well, it's not necessarily the cover. It's that they're too thick. You've got to thin these out if you want big carrots. Now, we're going to eat a lot of these for baby carrots. Don't be fooled by the baby carrots in the store, because that's not really baby carrots. That's just regular carrots that's been turned down and been bleached. So I thought maybe I would get lucky here and say, well, you know, there might be one that's decent.
But that's about the size.
That's about the size that I'm finding right there. You know, I mean, I can't. We're gonna come over to the other side. Get some of this grass out of here. See what we got over here. Let's wring our finger around it.
I can see from
You don't
here.
want me to pull that one up, do you?
I want that one up.
You want that one up? Oh my word! Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's split, but it's still a good sized carrot.
Still a big old carrot, yeah.
Let's just see. This one is all by itself. The seed got dropped for whatever.
Dropped off down here. Then there's been nothing around it but a tomato and some onions.
And the tomatoes just got planted there a week or
tomatoes
so ago.
about a week ago, yeah. Put the tomato in here. So let's ring around this one and see.
Ooh.
Let's just see.
Golly. Look at that.
Look at that.
Now that's what I'm calling a carrot.
This goes to prove right here, guys, that
you need to space them.
Yep, and they do good in the onions, because the onions are here.
Carrots love onions and tomatoes,
Yep.
I guess.
Carrots love onions and tomatoes, so look at that. All right, let's just keep on looking right here, see what we got.
The ones that are spaced.
Yeah, now this, you can look at the spacing here if you can get where you can see it. These are like 4 inches apart right here. So that's
so nice. Quite a few nice carrots.
Now this one, there's one right up against it here. It ain't, it's not near as, it's only about the size of them in here.
So you can leave
the
it.
one that's 4 inches away here, let's ring around. Ooh, this here's gonna be the mama.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at them carrots. Look at that. You need to check my carrot manual out, because I talk about all this in the carrot manual.
DeepSouthHomestead.etsy.com.
You know what, I'm gonna leave.
I'd leave a bunch of those
I'm gonna leave the rest of them. I'm gonna get some of this stuff.
I think
out.
I can make you some salad.
We got enough there now to make a salad out of. Yeah. You can see where they're thicker at right here. They ain't no different than the ones in the bed are right there. So it ain't got nothing to do with the fact that they outside out here. It's the fact of how thick they are.
Yep.
Now in here, I mean, I don't know. They're so thick. I'm gonna just pull one.
Decent carrot, but
it's decent. I mean, this is what we got to do. We got to go through this bed. We got to get this stuff out of here so that we got something to eat, so that the rest of these has a chance to actually get some size to them.
and we can leave these now. Last year before, we left carrots and ate on them all year long.
We did. Yes.
For several months anyway.
Yes, for several months we ate on them.
The little hair roots don't hurt them. You just scrape them off. Continue eating.
Now, see, I'll go through here like this. I just pull them up. Now, if you want that size to put in like something to eat, you know, you can do that. We give our rabbits a little bit of a treat with this, where they're just so thick at in here that we go reach in there, because it gets slimy up under them. Well, what is the conclusion of today? Spacing versus non-spacing. You can see the difference for yourself. 6, 7-inch long, 2 to 3 inches long. Planted at the same exact time, same fertilizer, same everything. Look at the size of the tops. Small tops, luscious big green tops. So if you're interested in growing your own carrots, go check out my carrot manual on Etsy, deepsouthhomestead.etsy.com, and I show you how I go about doing all of this. And I tell you about fertilization, I tell you about all that stuff in there. These seeds, so don't throw your seeds away. If you go to read up on carrot seeds, it says after 2 years, they don't come up. Well, these seeds were 4 years old. These were the Kuroda. We purchased them from Kitazawa Seed Company. That's Kitizawa Seed Company. 4 years ago. And I bought a pound of them at a time because I plant a lot of carrots. And guys, they're still going strong. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove.